Woke up, couple meal on my plate. Let's eat. I'm investing in real estate. I just went and gave my mama 100. Probably won't hear me open my mouth, let you hear me talking about finding some. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So I am back with this ombre, cut crease, and eyeliner, and just a lot of stuff going on. But yeah, y'all just make sure y'all go ahead and keep watching. So I want to start off by priming my eyelids with my Juvia's Place concealer in the number 13. Okay, so the first color is coming from the 35B palette. I'm taking the hot pink and I'm packing that into my crease using the E17. I'm taking this orange right here from the Glam Light paint palette and I'm going to pack that right along the pink. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna put some more orange actually because it's a little patchy right here. So now I'm gonna grab the yellow and I'm gonna use an M506 and blend out the orange. And then you're also gonna see me pick up some more orange every once in a while and maybe some more pink just to go back and add whichever color I feel like we kind of lost or they kind of faded. So yeah. And also I have this large blending brush. This is a M330 and I'm just gonna blend this. And then I'm also gonna add some more pink. So yeah, I'm gonna just go back and forth between all these colors until they look the way I want them to look. My boyfriend just asked me why I had sideburns. But y'all, I'm gonna start right here and do a pop-up giveaway. This giveaway is long overdue. I actually meant to do this like before Christmas, but so I have two 25B palettes for Morphe. These are like neutral brown colors. Let me open one so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm gonna be giving away two of these. So yeah, that's what the palettes look like, neutral colors. So all you guys have to do to enter this giveaway is of course be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment and tell me what your favorite video is that's on my channel. So yeah, those three things, and then leave me a way to contact you, whether it's the email or your Twitter, your Instagram, Snap, whatever, and it is US only. So all you have to do is follow those three steps and you will be entered for a chance to win one of these palettes. To finish my eye, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. Alright you guys, so using the same pink from earlier, I'm going to blend this harsh line from the concealer. Okay, yeah, so I'm just using this number 3 brush from the crayon case to pat the concealer to make sure everything is, you know, like even. So when I go in and put down my color, it won't be patchy. Taking this green out of the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And then I'm going back into my 35B palette, and I'm taking this blue over here and packing it right beside the green. I'm gonna take the same concealer and create like a wing across my lash line, of course. Okay, so I'm gonna go across my lid with the same colors we used on our crease, but I'm using neon pigments instead. So, and I'm also gonna do like reverse. So I'm gonna do pink, purple, blue, and green, but I'm using neon pigments, and the pigments are from Maya Makeup. I'm going to take my Suva liner in the shade Space Panda, and I'm going to go right on top of those colors. And then I'm also going to take this glitter liner from NYX and go on top of the white. I'm going to take some purple and orange eyeshadow. I'm going to just go ahead and grab the purple from this palette and smoke them both out in my waterline. Okay, I'm gonna just add some mascara real quick. And yeah, this color is in the shade Anglola from the crayon case. So to finish up the look, I'm going to take this purple glitter from Glow Glitters and just pop that in the inner corner. Alright, you guys, so we are done with today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more videos. And also make sure you guys have followed all the rules to enter my giveaway. It will only be open for 1 week, and yeah, good luck, and I will see you guys in my next video.